Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to play Call of Duty Verdansk, and it just came out on April 3rd. So if you want to know how to play it, you do obviously have to install the update first. It is quite a big update. I think it's like 101 gigabytes almost. But anyways, once the game is installed, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to home. From the home section, it will save right here. It should be the biggest one on the top left. Verdansk is back. It's also featured, so you can go ahead and hit play. Now, once you go ahead and hit play, you can, well, now I guess you got to watch this cutscene or whatever. But basically, once the cutscene is over, you will be able to play Verdansk. There is not a ranked system out yet, but it is possible that there might be a ranked system in the future, because they do usually do. I'm trying to skip it, but I don't think you can. Yeah, but anyways, yeah, Verdansk is back again. You should be able to play it in a second. I'll try to see what modes there are. Should be like solos, duos, and quads, assuming, or maybe all solos, duos. Okay. All right, hit continue. Yeah, there we go. So we have Battle Royale, we have Battle Royale Casual, we have Resurgence, we have Plunder, we have Warzone Bootcamp. Yeah, so we have all these modes. And we have everything: quads, trios, duos, solos. So yeah, you're good to go. And that is how to play Verdansk, OG Verdansk. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.